All right. Hi. Um, my name is Julian, and in this video, we will be setting up a Facebook pixel from scratch from a new business manager and setting it up in Clickfunnels for a straight up lead generation funnel. Let's go. So this is the business manager of the client I'm working with. We're going to be starting from scratch. So we're going to add a pixel. And then we're going to click on continue. I'm going to set up. And I'm going to manually add the pixel. I'm not going to use the partner integration, making it simple. Just copy this one and then going inside. So this is my landing page. We'll be tracking two things. This is the first one, the landing page. We'll be going to settings and then tracking code. And then I will be pasting it here. And that's basically it. Okay. So once that's done, I'll click on save. Now we will do the same for the thank you page because we want to be tracking people who reach the thank you page, but we'll take it a step further. Right? So same in the page, we will go to tracking code, paste the code, and we will add something. We will add what we call a standard event. This is basically what will tell Facebook, hey, this is a conversion. This is someone taking action. This is someone opting in for the webinar. What Facebook will do is number one, to track everyone who reaches this page. And number two, it will optimize and learn about your target audiences so that Facebook will reach more people who are similar to those that have opted in already. So how do you do that? I'm not a coder myself, so I just basically just do copy pasting. So I copy this one, the script, and I put it here. And then I press enter. I copy this one where it says page view. I just put it here. Just a couple of packs. Now, instead of page view, I will change it to lead. Now, there are many different types of standard events. But for this one, because it's opting in for a webinar, I would prefer to use the word lead or the standard event lead. You'll want to do a quick search on Facebook on the different standard events that are available. It should be somewhere here as well. Let me show you. Yeah, so these are the different events. So you can copy these. For me, I'll be using lead. Where am I? All right. So once you've selected that, I'll copy the script again. And then I'll close it. Just having that slash. So basically this small snippet is basically what allows you to track a lead. Once that's done, just exit and click on save and you're good to go. Okay. Hope this video helps.